Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, it's May 17th, 2025 in the lower shop here. And just want to show you, Todd came over and helped me yesterday. This whole aisleway here was completely congested with supplies, tools, materials, toolboxes all over the place. Some wire cabinets were here, loaded with equipment and all. And there was stuff, even much more stuff, in between each one of these aisles here. So we got a lot of stuff out. Really happy that we got as much stuff out as we did. There's still a fair amount more that's got to go out to the shipping containers. Everything in this corner's got to go out there. You know, when something like this happens, you just grab things, anything that you can salvage, and just sort of like shove them into nooks and crannies. There's a lot more that's it's got to be picked up, cleaned up, and all. But again, thank you, Todd, for all your help. Really, really appreciate it. So today I think I'll do similar stuff, but not at such a rate that Todd and I were able to do yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I got to figure out where to put some things out there too. Because there's so much more that needs to go in those shipping containers, and you need to have room for the contents adjuster to be able to work through the stuff. You can't just jam pack it like this building was. Then we'll start upstairs and then the other buildings after that. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started and see what we can get accomplished today. Well, I didn't do any filming of the process that I went through today, but I got more stuff taken out of this corner, all of the cabinets that were in here, fire extinguishers, cameras, filters, all sorts of things. But at least got this wall a bit cleaner so that even if it's raining, I can start taking the plywood down and see if that helps out, and then if I have to, take all the rest off there as well, which I'll probably have to do. But I uncovered some of the glass for the greenhouse here and all, so got some more stuff done to take down the breaker panel there. And it's been raining on and off today. I mean, it held out pretty well, pretty darn well for a while, but I was able to get like I said, the rolling carts, the aluminum rolling carts out back, and get some of the supplies and all. And so still making headway, just a slow process. So sorry there wasn't much to share with you this time, but we're making progress, and maybe tomorrow we'll be able to share some more. So thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate your comments and your encouragement. Really appreciate it a great deal. And thank you for the thumbs up as well. I hope you folks stay safe, stay safe, warm, cool, whatever that would be appropriate for you, and stay dry. Take care now. Bye-bye.